All right, you guys, I wanted to do a couple of videos about circle equations, and these equations are going to be much more like the equations that are going to be on the test. So in this one, remember how I told you it's like doing two quadratic completing the squares at the same time? That's exactly what's happening here. Here's our equation, x squared plus y squared plus 10x plus 12y plus 25. Here's what I want to do. I want to get the 25 on the other side. So I'm going to subtract 25 from both sides because that's the only term here that doesn't have a variable. Okay, so now what I have is x squared plus y squared plus 10x plus 12y equals negative 25. Whoops, 25. Okay, now what I'm going to do is move things around so everything that has an x is together. So I'm going to move my plus 10x to be right next to that x. And then I'm going to have my y squared and my 12y. And this is all still equal to negative 25. Okay, then I'm going to complete the square for each of these. I'm going to complete the square for the x's, and I'm going to complete the square for the y's. So here I have x squared plus 10x. Half of 10 is 5. 5 squared is 25. Okay, plus y squared plus 12y. Half of 12 is 6. 6 squared is 36. So plus 36 equals still negative 25, but I've added both 25 and 36. So negative 25 plus 25 plus 36. Okay. Now, this x squared plus 10x plus 25, if I factor it, it just goes back to that half of 10, which was 5. So I have x plus 5 squared, right? Plus, here I have y plus 6 squared equals negative 25 plus 25 is just 0. So I have 36. Okay, so remember what this equation is? My center for this circle on a graph would be negative 5, comma, negative 6. And my radius, since this is the radius squared, 36 is the radius squared, my radius is just 6 for this circle. All right, so let's do one more, and then I'll send you to Khan Academy where you have some more practice problems. But let's see if we can do these all at once. I'm going to put that negative 49 on the other side, and I'm going to put my x's together and my y's together. So I'm going to rewrite this equation, and I'm going to have x squared minus 8x, because that 8x is negative, plus y squared plus 8y is equal to, and I'm going to move that 49 to the other side, and it's going to be positive 49. Okay? Then I'm going to complete the square for the x's and the y's. So this becomes x squared minus 8x. Half of negative 8 is negative 4. Negative 4 squared is 16 plus y squared plus 8y. And it's still going to be plus 16 here, right? So I've added 16 twice on one side. So I have to add 16 twice on the other side. And what this gives me is, if I factor this to be a perfect square, it's x minus 4 squared plus y plus 4 squared equals 49 plus 16 plus 16. Let's see. 49 plus 16 plus 16. 81. Okay, so the center is the opposite of both of our x and y. So our center is positive 4, comma, negative 4, x, y. And the radius is 9. Okay, so here are two problems. and that I took from the Khan Academy practice problems below this on your review sheet. So now if you feel like you need more practice, please go back to the link or go to the link below this and do some more practice on Khan Academy. Thanks, you guys.